What is Joe's to Prose? You probably already know that this 5-volume series is designed to prepare you for the Microsoft Database Development Certification number 70-433. But what's in them, and when are they coming out? The DVDs in this series can be used in conjunction with or instead of the books. Let's talk about the books first. The first book in this series is Beginning SQL, Joe's to Prose. This is Volume 1 of the 5-volume series. This covers the basics of what is a database and using the SQL language. You learn about queries, you learn about security, you learn about basic transactions, and you will also learn about creating databases and creating tables. This book has a published date of December 2009. The next book is really the heart and soul of what every SQL developer must know and use on the job, as well as interview questions. This revolves around basic, intermediate, and advanced query writing. SQL Queries Joe's to Prose is Volume 2, and it covers you all the way to advanced queries. Volume 3 in the SQL Development Joe's to Prose series is SQL Architecture Basics. This covers important matters like database file creation, data type usage, and indexing and performance. This teaches you the basics of what goes on under the hood and how programming objects will work together. Volume 4 is the actual programming. The book is called SQL Programming Development. This will cover constraints, triggers, stored procedures, functions, views, and error handling. Volume 5, the last volume in the series, is SQL Server Interoperability. You know that SQL integrates at the enterprise level. SQL can talk to C#, SQL can talk to XML, SQL can talk to the new PowerShell. Exactly how do those languages integrate with SQL Server? That's a very important and growing area of SQL Server, as well as a very important part of the certification test. SQL Interoperability covers how to integrate with those 3 languages. Joe's to Prose now offers Introduction to C#. This is a great way for people who've never done any programming before to learn how to use the C# language. Finally are the 2 most common questions about the Joe's to Prose DVD video training series. Number 1 is, why didn't you just put the DVD in the back of each book? Actually, that was the goal. The publisher had a DVD factory on the West Coast and a book factory on the East Coast. So what's been done is the price has been lowered on the book/DVD combination pack from the typical $60 to $70. And you'll notice that these books are extremely affordably priced. So you can buy the DVD combo pack for the same price as though they were included. And those who are wishing to buy just one or the other won't have to buy both. The second question is, when did the DVDs become available? Typically, the DVD comes out 1 to 6 months after the release of the book. Joe's to Prose, the series for your serious goals.